Let me show you what I purchased with a birthday discount code that I received from a stationery store's loyalty program. Milligram, a stationery store here in Australia, opened up a couple of new stores here in Sydney, and of course I was hooked. With enough purchases made, I signed up for their loyalty program, and for your birthday they send you a lovely discount off your next purchase. So, no brainer, I had to buy something, right? Well, I did, and let me show you what I bought. I saw this stone holder merchandised in the store with pens on it, and I thought it would look nice on my desk to display my pens and make a great feature in my photos and videos. It's actually a soap holder, but this onyx one I thought would go nicely with my desk cover. Let's see how it looks with a few pens on it. This Pilot Metropolitan fountain pen in silver and fine nib is my most recent pen purchase. This Pilot Capless Vanishing Point fountain pen was gifted to me by a friend, and it's in fine nib, and a couple of Pilot Kakuna fountain pens in extra fine I bought a few years back. See, they will look nice all displayed like this. The next ones are from the Travelers Company range, starting with a pen holder clip in the color camel. So I bought this so I can attach it to the passport notebook that I also purchased. Let's see how it fits one of my fountain pens. The pen loop is made from soft leather and has a loop diameter of 0.7 centimeters. Now this is made to fit the Travelers Company pens and pencils, which has a slim barrel, so it may be a bit tight at first if you want to fit other pens that have thicker barrels, but the fountain pens I have fits it well. Maybe just a bit hard to remove off the loop easily, but I'm fine with that for the moment. The next item I purchased are these Travelers Notebook rubber band set. So you get a set of 4 rubber bands, and these are for the passport size notebooks. You get 2 blacks and 2 brown rubber bands, and so this will allow you to add multiple refills in your Travelers Notebook. I also bought this zipper pocket insert, and it has a transparent zippered pocket, slip pocket, and 2 card slots on the other side. I plan to use my Travelers Notebook as a planner or wallet on the go. And speaking of the Travelers Notebook, I purchased this Travelers Notebook leather cover starter set passport size in the color camel, and it comes with 1 plain refill, a cotton carry or storage bag, and 1 spare elastic tie. Now as I open her up, if you're liking this video and love watching unboxing videos as much as I do, make sure to hit that like button so I know you too like watching unboxing videos. Now it comes with a spare elastic tie in green, and this is the camel cover, but it does also come in blue, brown and black. So I'll attach the pen loop to it, that way when I am out and about, I have a pen handy and not have to look around in my bag for one. Okay, now let's put the zipper pocket inside and loop it around one of the elastics. Next, I tried to add the insert that came along with it around this black string, which I later found out is the page holder. I couldn't figure out why it was all loose like this and wasn't elasticized. So I thought I'd use one of the rubber bands I purchased to attach the refill back into the cover. Now I wasn't sure what I was doing here, and of course later down the track, by watching lots and lots of videos, I do find out how to use the rubber bands to attach multiple refills. So for those of you in the know, please forgive my ignorance. You know, we all got to start somewhere. So as you can see, I looped one of the rubber bands all the way around the cover itself, which I knew didn't look quite right, but we'll just keep going. And the Travelers Notebook fits nicely into the cotton carry case. Now let me know how many of you already have a Travelers Notebook, either the passport or the large size. Let me know in the comments any tips you have when it comes to these notebooks. Now my plan is not to get too worried about any scratches or marks that I do make on the cover along the way, as I want to have it lived in and not be too precious with it that I'll be too afraid to travel with it. To see another unboxing video, watch this one right here where I unbox my very first Hobonichi planner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.